Everybody, and welcome. Steve from OpenBOM. In the next few minutes, we're going to talk about change management. So let's get started. Change management, what is it? Well, it's a way to bring your design information to your business process. Specifically within OpenBOM, it's a mechanism for tracking changes, revisions, change approvals, ECOs, the things that make up the life cycle of your product. So how does it work? Well, simply put, OpenBOM records all the history. So we record all the changes. You change a cell, or you change a document, or you change a CAD file stored in OpenBOM. We record all of those changes in one way or another. OpenBOM lets you create revisions as your product matures. You may, at certain maturity levels, want to create and manage revisions. Then finally, you can force your revisions through a change order process, which may be important to your business process. So let's take a look at how some of those work specifically. Here I'm looking at an item in my catalog. You can see it has some. I've made some changes. There's a change request pending here. There's some existing revisions and a change request that's in flight. Change order number 55, and maybe I've changed the cost or some other things for this particular item. Likewise, I may have a bill of material that also has some changes. Here in this example, I've added some packaging, changed some labor rates, and I'm including that item that we saw in the earlier change request in this bill of material as well. This change request, or CR number, is CR number 54. And then finally, to kind of wrap this up with an ECO, I've got a change order where I've put both of those changes on it. You can see 54 and 55 are managed together in that change order, and they were approved and incorporated. So those revisions were created. So why is change management important? Well, simply put, we need to understand the W's and the H, the what, when, where, how a change happened. It's really important within your company. So let's look back. Let's reflect back on that change order that we were just looking at. Here it is. I'm looking at it from a historical perspective. I can see what changed, what the change order request numbers were, who approved them, and that's based on my company's approval requirements that are set forth by my company admin, and when it was incorporated. And as you go through, as your product matures and you go through through time, you might expect to see information, like this. This is very mature information about changes and revisions that happened in the past about items that are in my product. So finally, if you'd like to learn more about this, there's a lot more details and specifics about how, kind of the inner workings of revisions and other things. Please visit help.openbom.com. Of course, we always love to hear from you at support@openbom.com. Thanks.